The DJI FLIP drones are the next generation of aerial technology, revolutionizing how drones operate. These futuristic drones are designed with cutting-edge features that promise to redefine industries like photography, delivery, surveillance, and emergency response. At the core of the DJI FLIP is its groundbreaking ability to flip its orientation and seamlessly adjust its functionality mid-flight. This allows for enhanced agility and adaptability in tight spaces or complex environments. For instance, imagine a drone smoothly navigating through narrow urban streets or dense forests, flipping between vertical and horizontal modes to ensure optimal performance. Powered by artificial intelligence, DJI FLIP drones can autonomously map their surroundings in real time. Using advanced LiDAR sensors and 3D imaging, they create precise layouts of their environment, which helps them avoid obstacles, plan efficient routes, and adapt to unexpected changes. This technology has tremendous potential for search and rescue operations, where drones can locate survivors in disaster zones faster and more efficiently. Another remarkable feature of DJI FLIP drones is their advanced battery technology. Unlike conventional drones, these machines are equipped with graphene-based batteries, offering extended flight times and faster charging capabilities. This allows them to stay airborne for longer durations, making them ideal for tasks like delivering packages over long distances or monitoring large areas for security purposes. For photographers and videographers, the FLIP drones offer unparalleled capabilities. They feature 12K resolution cameras with advanced stabilization and AI-driven editing tools, enabling professionals to capture stunning shots even in challenging conditions. Moreover, the drone's flipping ability allows for unique angles and perspectives that were previously impossible to achieve. In the commercial sector, these drones are game changers for delivery services. Imagine receiving your groceries or parcels within minutes, with drones that can adapt to different terrains and weather conditions. Companies in logistics and e-commerce are already exploring how FLIP technology can optimize last-mile delivery and reduce costs. The drones are also integrated with state-of-the-art cybersecurity systems to ensure data protection. This is critical in industries like defense and law enforcement, where drones are used for surveillance and intelligence gathering. With FLIP technology, these drones can perform stealth operations, maneuvering undetected in sensitive areas. Moreover, DJI is pushing the boundaries of sustainability with this new line of drones. The FLIP models are built with eco-friendly materials and feature solar-assisted charging, reducing their carbon footprint and aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. By 2030, DJI envisions these drones becoming an integral part of daily life, aiding in urban planning, agricultural monitoring, medical deliveries, and more. The combination of flipping agility, AI integration, and advanced energy efficiency makes DJI FLIP drones a technological marvel.